Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure dividend reinvestment with Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. To configure dividend reinvestment with Charles Schwab, first, log into your Schwab account on their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Accounts tab once you are logged in. Look for the Dividends and Interest section in your account settings. Select the option for Dividend Reinvestment. You will see a list of your current investments that pay dividends. Choose the specific stocks or funds for which you wish to enable reinvestment. Check the box next to each investment to opt in for dividend reinvestment. If applicable, review the minimum requirements for. Once you have made your selections, proceed to the confirmation screen. Review the changes you are about to make carefully. Confirm your selections by clicking the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that dividend reinvestment is now set up. For any changes in the future, repeat these steps as needed. Keep track of your reinvested dividends through your account statements. This setup allows your dividends to automatically purchase more shares, enhancing your investment strategy. Monitor your account periodically to ensure your settings remain as you intend. If you have any issues, reach out to Schwab's customer support for assistance. Now you are fully equipped to enjoy the benefits of dividend reinvestment with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.